Good morning, everyone. If you're watching this, that means you are watching the replay. So type hashtag replay and happy Pongal, everyone. And today we get to celebrate the second day of Pongal. So I'm exactly like yesterday. I'm halfway done, middle of my cooking. Usually Thursdays I try to post what is it, like any of the eye looks or any of the get ready with me looks. That's one goes on Thursday. But since it's Pongal today and also tomorrow, usually my sari posts are up for Fridays, and tomorrow will be I'll be in training from 10 a.m. in the morning. So hi Vidya, thank you so much for hopping on. Thank you. So tomorrow my training starts and it's whole day from 10 o'clock, so I may not be able to get ready for tomorrow. So I thought why not do it today, so that way I can do my Friday get ready here. Excuse the background, like I mean Cloudy is with me and he's playing around. He's having fun with all my boxes that comes with the jewelry. So that's what he's playing with. So today's look, I went with really a simple one because I know, I think you all know when we have celebrations at home, mornings are always like a busy time of the day because you have to cook and you have to do the puja and all those stuff. So that's how I did it. So it's very simple, just CCTM with concealer all over the face. And for my eye look, it's such a simple one. I used natural tan to color correct. It's an optional one. What I did is I have used a cinnamon shimmer as my all over lid shade. This is one of my favorite. I think I spoke about it in one of the videos too. I think in one of the Christmas movies, the main lead character, she wears it throughout the movie. So that's one of my favorite look to create all the time. So that's the one I wore, and I have used Americano as my crease color. Not a lot. I just blended it well with the other colors. And then what else I used? And I used the pencil as an eyeliner and also in my upper and lower waterline. So I have used the black pencil, and this is another optional one. You can always use a lighter shade to make your inner eye pop. So I have used the bright lights. Which one I used? I used the buttercream shimmer, so that's the one I have used for my inner highlights. So that's the one I used for today's eye look, and I have used rustic brown for my eyebrows. That's my default. And for today's lip look, I have used two of the brighter shades because since the eye look is a very soft, subtle one, I was able to bring out a very bold lip color for today. So what I did is I did one layer of fuchsia, which is like a very bright, obviously a fuchsia pink. So I did one layer of that, and I did two layer of dahlia. So they are close to each other, but dahlia has more of an orange tint to it. Since the saree is more of a what is it, like it's a pinkish orange, I would say, and it has all over like a yellowish orange thread work. So you can see here, that's how it is. So always by layering or pre-mixing you will be able to achieve it. I get the clue from the saree itself. If you see the saree, you can pick the colors from the thread, how it's been mixed and matched. So I did that, and I topped it with the Fiesta Gloss, which is like another orangish shade with a little bit of glitter to it. So I think Fiesta means it's fun and party, right? So I used it to enhance the look. Hi Juhi, happy Pongal. I saw your Lori pictures. It was really fun. Hope you were able to do it and enjoy it with family. So that's the fun look for today. As I said, I didn't use much, and it's more of a linen. It's a linen saree kind of. So I have used just a silver jewelry to match with it, and once I am finished with this, Yes, I know. It is good to do. Like, even I am having a lot of fun doing it with family at home this time. That's why I'm trying to combine my lives or my looks and also still be able to finish my what is it, like the fun festive things. So today it's Pongal, so we need to make a sweet Pongal and other things. So I need to hop out and then finish on doing that. Thank you, Juhi. Yeah, as I said, since it's more pure cotton look, I wanted it to go with like a rustic silver jewelry to go with it. So I didn't use anything here because I wanted the sari to speak for itself. So that's the one I did. Thank you for hopping on and always having a sweet comment to make my day. And have a wonderful day, guys. I will post the pictures of the sari and any other updates for today. As I said, all the hold on packages have been started to move, which is a very big relief for me. So that's done, and the skincare workshop starts today, so I'm really excited. So whoever is there, start washing your face from today and let's do it together. So I will be checking on you later today on to see how it goes. Okay, have a wonderful day, guys. And I think the hair care workshop is almost done, so we'll be finalizing the orders and they will be heading out, I would say tomorrow maybe. Tomorrow I can pack, but I will see whether I can ship them by Saturday, because as I said, I'll be in training for whole to both the days. So I need to try whether I can finish off by weekend, or else I know Monday is the holiday. I don't know whether USPS doesn't work on this Monday. Let me check on that and then I will keep you guys posted. Yeah, have a wonderful day. Happy Pongal and Makara Sankranti. Have a wonderful day, guys.